Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to send high quality photo or video on Telegram. Okay, first of all, let's just open our Telegram application on our phone. And then for example, I'm going to send a photo to my contact. This is the contact I want to send my photo to. Tap on the contact, then we can tap on this button. Okay, and to send high quality photo or video, we can select file. We want to send it as file, so just wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, and for example, I'm going to select a photo from my gallery, so we can tap on the gallery, and here as you can see, we can send images without compression. Okay, and I'm gonna go with this photo. So we can just tap on the photo. You can select more than one photo, and after you're done, you can click on the send button to send this photo to your contact. Okay, and once you send the photo as file, you won't lose the quality of the photo. Alright guys, and that's how we can send high quality photo or video on Telegram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.